Hi guys, welcome to The Corridor. I saw this game on Jacksepticeye's channel, so I wanted to check it out, and I thought it would be pretty cool to put on the channel. Hell yeah. Oh, there's the door. Well, first of all, 0 out of 10 on Yelp. Doesn't let me open the door. Could you fucking imagine? Oh my god. Could you imagine if there's a review that's just like, didn't let me open the door, 0 out of 10, get fucked. Oh my god. Respectfully, I'd kill someone.
Never open this game again.
Oh. Bro just closed me out of the game that I paid for and then had the audacity to ask me, how dare I? How dare you? I'm gonna check that every single time. By the end of this video, I swear that's gonna open. Aw, damn. I couldn't click it. I want to click it. Let's go ahead and kaboom. What the fuck? Is it invisible? He got rid of the button because I...
Damn it.
Did he really think hiding it away from me was gonna help? The fuck?
Yeah, go on then. Push it. I want you to push it. I've come round.
Have you now? Well, it would be audaciously rude for me to accept this peace.
Okay, yes,
agreement.
I've realised that reverse psychology doesn't quite make sense here considering I want you to leave.
Oh, there's a corridor behind this. 1 second. I'm gonna just sneak faster. Howdy. Cardboard man. Cardboard plant. Listen, I know it might be annoying, but he keeps closing the game. But he's trying to stop you playing. Don't give in. Keep going. I have faith you can get through. I'm rooting for you, kid. Oh, you completely messed up, dude. Oh my god. You don't understand how much you just screwed yourself there, buddy. I'm going to click every single last one of these buttons. There's not a damn thing you can do to stop me. Oh, and they push in after you push them, so I'll know which ones I have pressed or not. Oh my. Dude was not prepared for this
Okay,
level.
yes, this is somehow more painful for me than it is for you. It's the one in the corner.
Oh. Yeah, I don't care. Yeah, no, you started this. I'm gonna be... No, push every single button. No, I'm gonna make you push every single button so you can't teleport out of the room. Little did you know, my middle name is Determination. Oh, he turned the ones I haven't pressed blue. Oh, this is amazing. Am I missing any? Because I don't want to press that one if I'm missing something. Because what if I'm missing one? Oh. Wait, cardboard therapy? I'm on a cardboard bed? It's like regular therapy, except somehow even more cutting. Oh, cardboard man, huh? Why'd you do it? There's no amount of therapy I can unravel why you felt the need to push all of those buttons. Simply stop. Wait, why isn't the game loading? Oh my god, I thought the game actually hadn't loaded, and so I like moved my mouse to try to get out of the tab because I thought it froze. Oh, that was clever. Oh, that was clever.
You might have stayed there forever, you never know.
Oh my god, I might have. If I hadn't bumped my mouse, then probably. Good shit, dude. You're getting smarter. No. There's nothing here. Oh, Jesus! Oh my god. That scared the shit out of me. Oh, oh, hell, he gave me a gun. Oh, it's over for you bitches. Oh, it's absolutely over. Oh, and it fires. Oh, it's over for you hoes. Oh my god. Oh shit. That's a dude. Does he fire? How's your aim, buddy? See? At the center. Can you do that? Not much of a talker, are you? That's fine. I got you. I have something for you. Hold on. You accept? Is that a no? Fuck you then.
You just killed the guy. What's
fuck
wrong
off.
with you? I didn't even ask you to do anything. You just did it. Don't you think that's a bit of a weird response? You know there was a button hidden in the level, right?
Wait, there was a button?
Fine, we'll go back to the corridor stuff.
Wait, no,
then.
no, I didn't know, I'm sorry. Visual novel. This reminds me of Doki Doki Literature Club. The button stands there, doing nothing. How are you today? Also nervously. Hi, I was wondering if maybe I could press you? If you're okay with it. I have to. The button continues to stand there as if to say, oh, now you ask. I'm sorry, I never asked before. The game gave me no way to do so. Break the fourth wall. I'll be honest, I was only doing it because I have a massive crush on you. Blushes, ooh woo, rar, XD. The button continues to stand there as if to say, well, obviously, look at me. You're a bit full of yourself, to be honest. The button continues to stand there as if to say, I'm an inanimate object who cannot say anything. You are projecting. I'm gonna go with push the button. Click. Click.
Okay, that actually is broken. You just had to ask for a longer game, didn't you? Want. That's all you ever do. Alright, let's go out and fix it then, I guess.
Well, I actually have to fix it. I tried pressing the button, it didn't work.
Good,
Oh.
at least those aren't plugged in. We can probably just reboot and we'll be fine.
Oh.
Okay, go and unplug them then. Just drag them out. It's pretty easy.
Why are you annoyed with me? That was not my fault.
You see, that's the thing about you.
Mm-hmm.
You ruin things just by observing.
That's the first time I heard
If you
that.
hadn't been watching those plugs, they wouldn't have felt the need to comedically plug themselves in.
Okay, that's not even my fault,
Your
dude.
very existence here is the thing that spoils it.
Damn, okay. That's a roast. Feelings hurt, by the way, but, it's fine then. Are you happy? Howdy! Hi there! Just watching my favorite influencer. I love them even though my computer literally can't play videos. It's made of cardboard. Hold on. What are you watching? Oh my god! Oh my god, it's it's even updated with my recent videos. What the fuck? I literally posted that video earlier today. What the hell? Oh my god. Wait, does it actually have like... Was that like 13 views? What the hell? That thing flopped. Not worse than my... That has no views. That's crazy. Yeah. Holy shit, my analytics look ass. But anyways. Oh my god, I'm in the game! Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, that's adorable. I truly love that you, a content creator, are maybe sharing the game with people. For a short single-player experience like this, people watching an entire playthrough online can really hurt sales. Yeah, no, I get it. So basically, I just want to say, if you are someone watching the entire thing via the internet right now, maybe consider paying for a copy anyways. Even if you never play it, it would really mean a lot. If you don't want to, that's fine too. I hope you have fun regardless. Thanks for your time. Back to your regularly scheduled gaming. I am going to take this time to, like, truly state that if you have made it this far into the video, please consider buying the game. There are some parts of this game that I've left out that aren't in the video. You know, I did a little editing, so they're not in the video. So check out the game, and even then, even if you're not going to play it, you should buy it. This creator is pretty cool. I love this game. I think you would love this game. The game's also like $2, so I'm sure you can find $2 laying around somewhere. If you can't, I'll link a thing to the game, and then also any, like, donation pages that the creator has set up for themselves, like a buy me the coffee thing. So let's go back to gaming. Thanks again for potentially sharing the game in the first place. Of course.
Could you just wait? I kind of procrastinated and forgot to finish this part, I'll be honest.
Oh, that's fair.
Okay, we'll just put this right here and this right there. Bit of that, a bit of this. Okay, now we're cooking. Good.
Nice one.
What I could do without you messing everything up.
Okay. First of all, rude. Second of all, where the hell am I viewing this from? Where am I? Is this a computer? I'm playing myself playing the game.
Do you know how much pain you cause?
I've actually sent this man to a mental
You know
break.
what? Go away. Go away and make your own thing. Don't use mine. Go out there instead.
Go where? Oh? I just get put out. Oh, I gotta unplug these things again, right? He was upset that they were in last time. So, oh, I don't have to plug them out. What do I have to unplug? Oh, lights? Hee hee. Lights out, buddy. I can unplug the lights. It's over for you. You motherfuckers gonna be in the dark. Electric bill not paid, bitches. Boop. Oh, is this Twitter? No!
Yes, I noticed you trying to open the door, okay? Not everything needs a response.
Oh.
Fine. Go ahead and rip it apart, I don't know.
Oh, what's this? Oh. It's flush with the wall now. Wait. Is it following me? Holy. What if I face this way? If I turn? Holy. It's always... Oh, hell. Oh, it's flesh. Corda Industries, Inc. Conveniently placed door existence plug. I'm gonna get rid of that. Don't mind me. Oh, wait. Oh, the door actually stopped existing. So did the wall I came out of.
We need sound effects anyway.
I'm gonna do this one last.
Textures? I don't think so. Models? Bin 'em.
Now for this to be the last thing I take out. Well, last time you gave me a foggy room with a plug. Save data.
Wait, please just stop. I want you to play the...
Oh no. Oh no, I actually... Oh hell no. I was too fast. I thought he was joking.
Never open this game again.
Oh. Okay, I think I'm finally back to where I was. My dumbass clicked the save data button. And I was like, oh, it won't actually restart the game. And I won't have to do this all again. Yeah, well, I was wrong. So I did this all again just to get back to this brain. Boom.
Sound effects anyway.
True.
Textures? I don't think so.
Not needed whatsoever. Glad we both agree. Let's do this one first. Models.
Bin 'em.
Nothing. Game. This time, I'm not gonna pull the save data button, and I'm going to listen to what the narrator has to say. Because I don't want to play this again from the start.
Wait, please just stop. I want you to play the game.
Mm-hmm.
Of course I want you to play it. It's just...
Just what?
What if it's bad?
What?
What if it sucks? What if you hate it? What if it's the worst thing ever made?
No, that's Marjorie Taylor Greene's
And it's all
Twitter.
for nothing.
She's got you beat on that
Who
one,
wouldn't
pal.
want to
Sorry.
avoid that? Here. Here you go. This is my game. You walk down a corridor and push a button and that's it.
Huh?
I hope you like it.
I'm sure I will. Oh, I'm ready. Best game on Steam.
Huh.
Yeah.
You know, that wasn't actually that bad.
Yeah, it wasn't. That's awesome. Oh my god, I love that. That was amazing. Thomas, you outdid yourself, lad. That was amazing. Okay, but in all seriousness, please, the game's like $2. It was Black Friday and I got this game for like 99 cents and I was like, why not? I saw Jacksepticeye playing it. So I was like, why not? But yeah, like, I loved it. I think the story element's really nice. There are some things that I left out of this video, so, the link to this game is going to be in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Goodbye!